IT Training, University of Otago, talking about finding duplicates in Endnote X8 for the Macintosh. It is recommended that you don't have duplicates in your library, as it can lead to confusion when referencing. To identify them, from the References menu, you can use the Find Duplicates command. This searches through your library and finds identical seeming references. You can scroll down comparing the information in each reference and opt for which one to keep. If it's a complete tie, it's generally recommended keep the one with the earliest Endnote number, the lowest number.